The most beneficial information in the announcement is of the senior carer category. That will allow more workers from outside of the European Economic Area. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Visa for Work. We are glad you found our previous video Senior Carer Visa to UK informative. For those who haven't watched the video yet, you could find the link to the video in the description below. Today we will discuss about Senior Carer Visa to Ireland. The following information is according to the official notification of 14 June on the Ireland government website. The link to the same is provided in the description below. The Health Service Executive of Ireland is planning to recruit 16,000 new workers across the system. The most beneficial information in the announcement is of the senior carer category. That will allow more workers from outside of the European Economic Area. First of all, this is an easy way to settle in Europe. Care homes and nursing homes across Europe and Ireland are taking care of people with long-term health conditions and the elderly by providing a homely atmosphere. The facilities are equipped with 24-hour nurses and carers to take care of the inmate. We can find a lot of such facilities across Europe, but there is a shortage of carers in care homes and nursing homes. The senior carer category was an ineligible occupation list. The Ireland government couldn't fill this vacancy with labourers within Ireland. So this category is now removed from that. Now employers can recruit candidates out of the European Union all across the world. You don't need to have any specific qualification to apply for senior carer visa. OET tests are not mentioned for this job category. All the required training for the related profession will be provided by the government for free. But most of the employer prefer applicant with a nursing background or any other healthcare background. And you should have minimum English knowledge. The present situation in Ireland is suitable for experienced nurses and doctors and other coming under the shortage occupation list. The minimum salary for a senior carer will be €27,000 per year. You also have the opportunity to do part-time job and earn more. The friendly behavior with others and the ability to work in a team will be considered during the interview. The interview questions will be simple, just to evaluate your ability to work in this circumstance. There you only need to work for 37.5 hours per week. People accompanied with you on dependency visa can also work in a flexible time frame. Once you get employed as a senior carer in the healthcare sector, you should attain QQI level 5 qualification within 2 years. The training for this will be provided by the government with an affordable fee, which will be refunded later. After that, you will be able to shift to anywhere around the European nation. There is an opportunity for higher studies which could be done along with this job. Even though there is no particular English proficiency test for this job, the one problem you are going to face once you reach Ireland is understanding the Ireland English accent. So, the one way how to tackle this problem is by watching some of the Ireland English television series, which I will suggest at the end of this video. So stay tuned. The current boom in the opportunity in the healthcare sector is due to the post-pandemic situation and the expansion program in the healthcare sector followed by it. So this is the right opportunity for people who are looking forward to settle in Europe. The other opportunity at hand are social worker, physiotherapist, occupational therapist, speech and language therapist, dietitian, which are added to this critical skill occupation list. If you are confident, you can apply individually. But beware of fraudulent visa services. You don't lose your money. You can consult a recruiter whom you can trust. Or we are glad to help you with this process. We have a long history of issuing visa to UK and Europe. Our company are specialists in UK and Europe immigration and visa. So if you are interested, kindly contact us. I'm winding up this video for the time being. We'll get back to you with a brand new video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.